This is a video about the FutureIntel technology platform and two of its applications. FutureIntel is based on 25 years of research on accelerated learning and improved decision-making through cognitive transformation. The technology is a scalable delivery that is designed to make it easier for teams to solve very big problems by externalizing the problem into a large workspace, and to accelerate becoming an expert in certain domains. In other words, think more like an expert, but much more quickly. FutureIntel has two main applications. The first application, MegaWorlds, solves very difficult problems in businesses, such as mining, financial services, construction, manufacturing, or almost anything. The idea here is that rehearsing a large capital-intensive project ahead of time can reduce the risk and refine complex strategies and tactics, often saving billions of dollars. We can, for example, build a mine around the model of the underground ore body before anything is built in real life. Then we can have the workforce actually work in the mine, experience emergencies, try technologies such as driverless vehicles, or test lift cost assumptions. This can be done for nearly any large problem in the situation in which it must take place. Unlike other virtual models and simulations, ours are full of people. This shows you if your plan is able to survive contact with the people because, of course, it is people who must make it work. The second application, that we call Expert Worlds, defies the rule that says it takes 10,000 hours of intensive practice to achieve mastery of complex skills. Expert Worlds pull people forward by helping them understand how their decisions and behaviors in specific situations differ from that of an expert. This is done through a special transformational model using specific kinds of feedback with high-frequency decision cycles. The FutureIntel platform has advanced agent-based behavior tracking built in. It accelerates learning by pulling people forward to a model of expertise that is recorded in a scoring scheme that represents the standard to be achieved. Our approach has a number of benefits. It's scalable, it's portable, it accelerates learning, it is based on peer-reviewed scientific research with over 7,000 people. How do we do this? Here is a picture of the FutureIntel platform architecture. You will notice that, like many virtual games, it has a 3D component that in this case is built on the Unity gaming platform. But unlike other games, there is a huge back end. There is much more detail here than we can explain in this short video, but there is a simple difference you should notice right away. Our worlds are dynamic and connected to other technologies, including a random event generator that changes the context of even stable scenarios so that they are a little different each time the simulation runs. Just like real life, our backend also has complex financial modeling, so the impact of every participant's decisions can be calculated. Our worlds are full of sensors which detect the presence of people and which respond to their decisions and events. It is their responses to every event, even just noticing an event that attract. The lines of different colors are relays which connect everything, much like neurons in the brain. This is an example to show some functionality we designed for the military. In this scene, the person who is driving the LCAC, or landing craft air cushioned, is aiming for the beach. As he comes closer, the soldier on the beach must wave him in at the right time, when they would be visible to him. He must also be careful not to run any of them over with the craft and keep some distance, but not too much. Landing too far down the beach results in lost time that can jeopardize other parts of this mission. All this has been calculated as the action unfolds and the overall success of the mission which is measured. Every micro decision counts. The players can see how they did and where things went wrong by opening their heads-up displays at any point. Thank you for watching. We at the Project Bureau are always here to answer questions.